A doctor quickly entered the hospital after being called in for an urgent surgery. He changed his clothes and went directly to the surgery block. He saw the boy's father walking back and forth in the hall waiting for the doctor. Once seeing the doctor, the dad yelled, "Don't you know that my son's life is in danger? Don't you have the sense of responsibility?" The doctor smiled and said, "I am sorry I wasn't in the hospital and I came the fastest I could. Now I wish you'd calm down so that I can do my work." Calm down? What if your son was in this room right now? Would you calm down? If your son dies now, what will you do? Said the father angrily. The doctor smiled again and replied, "I will say what is said in the Holy Bible, from dust we came and to dust we return. Blessed be the name of God. Doctors cannot prolong lives. Go and intercede for your son. We will do our best by God's grace." "Giving advice when we're not concerned is so easy," murmured the father. The surgery took some hours, after which the doctor went out happily. "Thank God, your son is saved." And without waiting for the father's reply, he carried on his way running. "If you have any question, ask the nurse." "Why is he so arrogant? He couldn't wait some minutes so that I ask about my son's state?" commented the father when seeing the nurse minutes after the doctor left. The nurse answered, "His son died yesterday in a road accident. He was in the burial when we called him for your son's surgery. Stay calm in all situations so you can make decisions the best you can, be it in life or business. And thank you, doctors, for the excellent works you do."